Hi y'all, my name is Alyssa Cisneros and we're just gonna jump right in. The topic I chose to do was violence against women with an intimate partner, 15 years old or older, with the two highest ranking countries there were and what the factors were. I chose this topic because I am a sexual assault victim. I was a victim when I joined the military. This course project that I chose to do is something that I am very passionate about. This project gave me a voice in a way, and it also gave me a way to tell you all the things that women go through in various countries. The main question I really had in mind when doing this course project was what are the factors that leads to the violence of these young women? The two highest ranking countries for violence against women is Nauru and Mexico. Nauru is 47.3% and Mexico is 66.1%. Now, a global statistic that we must know is 1 in 3 women who have ever been in a relationship with a man has experienced some form of physical or sexual violence by a partner. A survey was conducted for 12 months where a total of 148 women ages 15 through 64 was surveyed, 131 of them of whom were ever partnered women. The study used two main references, which was lifetime violence and current violence. 48.1% who participated in the survey experienced physical or sexual violence at least once in their lifetime. 22.1% experienced such violence in the 12 months preceding the interview. 46% who participated experienced physical partner violence at least once in their lifetime. 20.6% indicated experiencing such violence in the 12 months preceding. The most commonly mentioned act of physical violence was being slapped or having something thrown at them, which is 84.1%. 25.4% experienced physical violence in at least one pregnancy. 1 out of 5 women have ever partnered, which is 20.6%, experienced sexual violence by a partner at least once in their lifetime. 9.1% said to experience such violence in the 12 months prior to the interview. And the most commonly reported act of sexual partner violence was being coerced and having sex when she did not want to because she was afraid of what her partner might do if she refused. These are acts of physical partner violence. These are acts of sexual partner violence. And these are partners controlling behaviors. All right, statistics for Mexico. 47% of women in a relationship over 15 have experienced some form of domestic violence. 96 out of every 100 victims of domestic violence in Mexico are women. 98.4% of all cases involving maltreatment for women include emotional abuse. 16% included intimidation. 15% included physical abuse. 14% included sexual abuse. And these are just the baseline facts. I found a study of violence against women in Mexico before and during pregnancy. The following statistics are that. Confidence interval and interpretation. The confidence intervals for Mexico are in the charts. The confidence intervals for Nauru goes as follows. Survey results are between 0.058742 and 1.066814. Types of physical violence are between 0.167281 and 0.692319, and partners controlling behaviors that have ever happened is 0.56701 and 0.506633. As we can see with all these topic confidence intervals, it seems as the higher ranking topic would be the survey interviews, which is very shocking. And these are only some of the topics. Imagine if we found the results of acts of sexual violence or controlling behaviors of partners during the interview. What are the factors? Some of the factors include past history of exposure violence, beliefs in family honor and sexual purity, ideologies of male sexual entitlement, and weak sanctions for sexual violence. The hypotheses and conclusion. When jumping into this course, I really did not have a hypothesis. However, I did want to spread this information and find what the factors were. The conclusion is that domestic violence doesn't just happen to women. Just because I focused on women does not mean men are not trapped either. These are many factors as to why domestic violence occurs. This is a very educational, but at the same time, very emotional topic. So if you or anyone who is in trouble with domestic violence or sexual violence or any type of violence that is going on at home and feel stuck, this is the National Domestic Violence Hotline. And at the top corner here, we can see the sign in case if you are video chatting someone. Thank you.